Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing one of my go-to DIY skincare routines using 100% natural ingredients. This is the routine I like to do when I just want to simplify and go completely natural. And I think this routine works great for all skin types, so I hope you enjoy, and let's begin. I think it's no secret that one of my favorite natural ingredients to use is raw honey, and specifically Manuka honey. I think this is one of the clearest examples of the wonderful skincare that nature provides for us. You really don't have to add anything else to it. It's very simple, but it's full of skin benefits. And I pretty much use this like I would any other face wash. I just wet my face and then I slowly massage this into my skin. And I do this for a good 30 seconds or so. I love using this because it doesn't strip my skin of its natural oils like other face cleansers tend to do. Honey has antibacterial and lightening properties, so it's really great for acne-prone skin, and it helps with any redness and hyperpigmentation I have. And on top of that, honey is extremely moisturizing, so I really like to use this whenever my skin is dry, especially during the winter time. It helps to keep my skin hydrated all day long because it locks in the moisture, and it also adds this really beautiful natural glow to my skin. So you can rinse it off immediately or leave it on as a mask to get even more benefits. My all-time favorite DIY sugar scrub contains only 2 ingredients, olive oil and sugar. And usually when I make this, I don't really measure anything. I just kind of eyeball it. So I'll start off with a little bit of olive oil, and then I'll just keep adding sugar and mixing until I get the consistency I like. But typically it's a 2-to-1 ratio of sugar to olive oil. And aside from being a really great natural moisturizer, olive oil contains antioxidants, so it helps keep the skin nice and firm. And this scrub leaves my skin feeling incredibly soft. I always say this, but it feels like a brand new layer of skin every single time. Honestly, it's really hard not to touch my face after using this. It's just so soft. And if you've ever used this before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And this also doubles up as a lip scrub, so you get the complete exfoliation experience. I know it can be very tempting to use this every single day, especially after how your skin feels, but you want to be careful with how much you exfoliate. So I only recommend doing this once or twice a week. So after cleansing or exfoliating, I like to follow up with one of the best DIY toners, apple cider vinegar of course, and lately I've been combining it with rose water, which smells so wonderful. It instantly boosts my mood and it gives me this sense of peace and calmness. And it also helps to mask that strong vinegar scent, which I know many people don't like. I personally don't mind it, and it's probably just because I've been using it for a good 10 years, so I think I'm used to it. But the great thing about this is you can adjust how strong or how light you want this toner. So I would suggest you test it out first and see how much your skin can tolerate. And then you can add more water or vinegar depending on how your skin reacts. But both apple cider vinegar and rose water help to balance the skin's pH. They reduce redness and they're also natural skin softeners. So overall, it makes a really awesome toner. Now the last step in a skincare routine is to moisturize. And just like the rest of this skincare routine, I like to keep things very simple. I've been using jojoba oil to moisturize my skin for a really long time. It mimics our skin's natural sebum, so that's why I always say it's one of the best oils no matter what your skin type is. And I like to take it a step further, and I add a few drops of frankincense essential oil. It's really great for acne-prone skin. It also has anti-aging benefits, and I also just really love the scent of it. It's very grounding and relaxing. But feel free to add whatever essential oil you like or whatever your skin needs. And a little bit of this moisturizer goes a long way. I only need like 2 or 3 drops, and that's more than enough to moisturize my entire face. I have to admit that after struggling with acne and trying so many different products over the years, I sort of developed this idea that skincare routines needed to be something really complicated. But thankfully I've realized our skin doesn't need complex products with long lists of ingredients that we don't even know how to pronounce. I can honestly say that ever since I started using simple and natural products, my skin has never looked better, and it feels so good to feel comfortable in my own skin without wearing any makeup at all. So I think the goal should really just be to nurture our skin, and for me this routine does exactly that. So I really encourage you guys to simplify your skincare routine. Maybe try 1 or 2 of these tips to begin with and go from there. And I always love hearing your experience, so share it with me in the comment section below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!